You can call our tech support line.
The stardom and fame of Techline Todd is widely known. His road to success, however, has not been documented until now. This is the story behind the music. Ever since his breakout hit, Techline Bling, the artist known as Techline Todd has rocketed to the top of the charts and garnered a cult fan following that rivals the all-time greats. His early career, though, was full of challenges, near tragedy, and finally, inspiration.
Yeah, growing up, I was influenced musically by all sorts of artists and genres, from Elvis to Michael Jackson, Prince to Garth Brooks, gospel to R&B. My other passion was engineering and design. I would pour countless hours into study and designs for automotive and consumer products. And my music developed alongside my engineering, kind of as a bit of an outlet. But the two never worked together back then,
It was during this time, in fact, that Todd nearly lost himself to his greatest challenge.
I'm not proud of it, but I found myself slipping deeper and deeper into the 2D design lifestyle. And no matter how much time I put into it, I just couldn't communicate my ideas properly. And that led to changes which were horrible. And that just led to more time and work until finally, I'm sorry. I just can't.
Todd would ultimately find inspiration and the key to his success in a common place that has helped so many.
SOLIDWORKS, it was what changed everything, really. It not only turned my designs around, but it transformed me musically. SOLIDWORKS is the ultimate innovation platform with tools that take you from concept to market with all the important steps of design, validation, communication, and manufacture, everything covered along the way. Everyone knows SOLIDWORKS as the gold standard in 3D CAD. It's what everyone else has been trying to copy for years now. The way it ties together solutions for analysis into one ecosystem and seamless integration, it's a game changer though. You can predict the product's real-world physical behavior far sooner, and that helps you get the designs better and better than good enough. The same's true for technical communication, visualization, and manufacturing data. Best-in-class tools all built on the SOLIDWORKS platform so you know they work together and save you time and money. As I started using SOLIDWORKS years ago, one of the biggest surprises was the impact of the SOLIDWORKS user community. The people that work with SOLIDWORKS every day are so passionate about the tool. They help each other and collaborate in the biggest, most active CAD forums. They gather after hours to network, increase their skills, and just hang out with fellow SOLIDWORKS junkies at user groups. It's crazy. They promote innovation and development of products around the world that change lives and make things better. It's really inspiring to be a part of a community like this.
The final piece of the puzzle fell into place for Techline Todd when he connected with a great value-added reseller.
Once I found SOLIDWORKS and started pulling myself out of the 2D world, my reseller was there every step of the way to make sure I was successful. The training was amazing. Highly skilled, experienced experts in all aspects of SOLIDWORKS showed me best practices and more tips and tricks than you could ever fit in a book. They also had a dedicated group of support engineers ready to answer questions anytime I called or to bail me out of a jam every once in a while. I remember this one time I had really messed up my install during an upgrade. I thought I was going to get so far behind and the creative juices were just really flowing, They hopped on my machine remotely and figured out immediately what I'd done wrong. Problem solved. It was later that day, I sat down and wrote the lyrics to Techline Bling.
SOLIDWORKS has inspired countless engineers to innovate and design great products. And now you know how it also gave us the music of Techline Todd.